Hi, hello, this is Naresh. Welcome to Naresh Designs. Now I'm going to tell you healing brush tool. Okay. Uh, Previous class we discussed about spot healing brush tool, like what it is done. It removes like what patches will be there on face and pimples and whatever thing it will remove and it will neat it. Okay. The same thing, the same way in tool. Just healing brush tool. Like you can just hold it. Same thing. Shortcut key is J. Just hold the shift and J, it will changes will be happening. Okay, here it's healing brush. Just select the healing brush. At the same thing as usual, here brush sizes and hardness, just keep it hardness is 0 and size will be here. Otherwise same thing, shortcut key, open brackets and close bracket, size will decrease and increases. Okay, yeah, this image same thing, you want to zoom it, this image control plus is the zooming. Okay, just zoom it and control minus is the zoom out. Okay, zoom it here, and the modes also will be there in the same thing modes. I will explain it. Okay, first you just take healing brush. What healing brush will spot healing brush, what will do, just whatever the pimple will be, just right click it here, it will go right. But the thing is small difference between healing brush and spot healing brush. So now just see the healing brush, whether just take the brush size is small here, just zoom it the image and drag it. Okay, just here, see here, just can clicking here, it's not working, right? Just press the alt and right click on the mouse, press the alt and right click on the nearby the patch, just click it. Okay, just come here, just drag it like this. Okay, see, the patch will went. Whatever nearby patch that needs skin will be there, just select it and drag it, it will go. Okay, same thing here, do it like this. Whatever you want to take a same area in other thing, just whatever patches suppose when you got accident, the very big patches will be the same thing. That time you just original skin nearby the skin, just drag it, it will go. Okay, same thing you can do all the things. And okay, wherever the skin here, just nearby the skin. Okay, it will do. The before doing, you just whenever you want to do, just take the duplicate layer, because when you done the wrong thing, okay, the original image will be spoiled, right? You want to do the thing, just duplicate and do on that, just off it. Okay, after that you want to just check it original image, what is the original image and how that is. After that just save it the image. Okay, just drag it here. Okay, and drag it here, alt click, drag it. Just simple thing, healing brush, whenever you using healing brush, just nearby the patches and the good skin, just alt and press, it will select and just drag it here, it will goes. Okay, the one more thing, same thing here, modes will be there, normal, replace, multiple color modes, whatever you want to use, just use different thing. And source is sampled. Okay, and you want to just this different image, you want to make a different image, is that, yeah, like terrifying image, like how you want to affecting images, you want to do it, my image is different effects and it will be different image. Okay, just click on to the pattern. Okay, there's a different patterns will be there, you want to add the patterns, just click it here. There's a different patterns are there. Okay, color papers, just click on that, append, it will comes here. Okay, just you want to take this color paper, just I just clicked it and increase the brush size. Okay, just drag it here. You're observing the image is applying the pattern, whatever we took the pattern, it's applying on the image. Okay, this image now it's different effect, like whenever you want to affecting images and different images like terrifying and horror, you want to shows your effective images and designing different designing you want to use, just select different patterns what you want here. And see this, I'll just check out here, just drag it here and just drag it here. Okay, see how it's go, it's like this. And we want to change the blending mode, just control Z is undo and control alt Z is total undo. Just here, see this, I'm just multiple keeping the mode and taking this, increase the brush size. Okay, open bracket is a brush size increase, just increase it and just click it here. See how it's changing. Now just remove. See how it's applied. See, the image is different effect, right? Wherever you want to different effect on the image, this healing brush will help out. Okay, just select the pattern and take whatever you want the design and what effect you want. You just texture fills append. Here's different effects will come. Just select that, first Control Z and select that, keep it whatever you want here, dark and screen and multiple whatever options, and just click it like this. Okay, it will come different effect. Okay, see this how the image is going like, right? This is a user, this is the difference between spot healing and this is a spot healing. Okay, this is the healing brush. Those two difference between healing brush and spotting is very useful for different effects what we make the kind of different backgrounds and our image is different effects. Okay, just use it and check it once what people are doing, what like you want to take. Just keep it normal and different modes whatever. Okay, I hope you guys are understand this class. Thank you for watching.